Hey lovelies, it's Frederica back with a short cooking video. Just want you to see how I do my penny pasta, baked penny pasta. That's boiling in the rice cooker. Put it like that. Then I put the chicken in over here. I've already cooked it, so that's ready to go inside. And then I'm going to bake it. I'm using some Sargento sharp cheddar cheese here, and I'm going to line that at the bottom. Then I got my ragu sauce. Of course, I could make this from scratch, but I'm trying to save time. These are quick little meals, and then I'm going to bake it and put it in the Emerald Lagasse cooker, which I'm getting used to this now. It's very much slower than what I used to have, but I really love this air fryer slash oven. It's cool. So anyway, I'll get back in with you once it's done. Okay, lovely. So I just added the ragu sauce through here. It almost looks like baked macaroni and cheese, but it's not. It's going to be the baked penny pasta. I've already put this ragu sauce in right here, and I put more cheese on top, just a few slices that I didn't film. Now I'm going to put the chicken in right here that I showed you earlier, and then we're going to bake it. Let's put the chicken in this way, and don't mind the sink. I got dirty dishes. I haven't had a chance to get over there to do those yet. Just put the chicken on, which has already been pre-cooked, and you're going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes, you know, and till it gets nice and brown. Yep. All the chicken in here. So yep, that's what it's looking like, and stir it in as much as you can. So it should come out delicious in 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, now we're going to put this in to bake, like I said, for 30 minutes at, I don't know, maybe 325, but I might raise the temperature. Bake and start. Okay, lovelies, this is how it's cooking. It's about 18 minutes on here, so I actually am just gonna put it on for like 12 minutes. I think that's good enough. It's brown and it's kind of pre-cooked, so I don't want it to burn or anything. So even though I said 25 to 30 minutes, you know, give or take a few, you could do less than that. So I'm gonna take it out and I'll show you how it looks when I take it out. I don't want to get burnt, so use your hand mitts when you have to take something hot out. Okay, lovelies, and this is how it is. You can see it's still boiling. So yeah, this is how it turned out. And add some garlic bread with this if you like. And you add some salad, and you have a delicious meal. All right, that's it for now. Love you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next short cooking video.